welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Abimbola Ruthie, and in today's video I'm going to be showing how I created this Instagram inspired makeup look. Yeah, this look is inspired by Instagram's logo. So you want to see how I came up with this look, keep watching this video. First off, I'm going into royal blue and I'm tapping that on the outer corners of my eyes. Then the next shade is going to be purple, and that is going to be before the royal blue. But that purple shade doesn't give me what I wanted, so I had to go with the lighter purple shade. Then next up, I went into red shade or maroon. Then I went to pink shade and just used that before the red. And yeah, for the inner corners, I had to go with the yellow because that is like a gradient for Instagram's logo. I had to use a smaller blending brush here just to blend everything out, because originally I didn't blend, I just tapped on the shades. I had to use my fingers to blend because the brush was taking away some of the color. And now I'm moving to my base work. I'm applying foundation and concealer for my under eye, bridge of my nose, forehead, top part of my lips, and other areas I needed more coverage. Now I'm blending the concealer and setting it with a setting powder. Applying powder to the rest of my face. Now applying powder contour, my cheekbones, jawline. I had to go back with my fingers because the eyeshadow colors were kind of lost because of my base makeup. And I think using my fingers helped them to pop. So using your fingers is actually one of the best tools for blending eyeshadow. Then I just started patting everything with my fingers instead of using a blending brush. I applied eyeliner and used a black eyeshadow to smudge it. So I was applying this nude shade of lipstick, but I wasn't feeling it, so I had to use a maroon lipstick. I'm done with the makeup look, so I'm going to fix up my hair and put on my earrings. This is the finished look. Yeah, I really love how this look turned out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, share, and also hit the notification bell as well. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.